Hey designers, let's create a smooth text animation in Adobe After Effects. Start by creating a new composition. Use the text tool to type your text. Select the text layer and go to its properties. Choose Animate, then select Opacity. Set the opacity to 0. Now open Range Selector 1. Click the stopwatch next to start to create your first keyframe. Move the playhead to the 1 second mark. Set the start value to 100. Move the playhead to the 2 second mark. Set the start value back to 0. Next, expand the advanced options. Turn on random order. Now click the stopwatch next to random seed. Set the random seed to 0 at the first frame. Move to the second frame. Set the random seed to 25. Move to the last frame. Set the random seed back to 0. Once done, close all the properties and preview the animation. Now duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl D, rename the top layer to Fill and the bottom layer to Stroke. Select the stroke layer and press U to reveal the keyframes. At the first frame, set the random seed to 25. Move to the second frame, set the random seed to 50. Move to the third frame. Set the random seed back to 25. Now make sure the stroke layer only has a stroke and no fill. Swap the colors to achieve this. Preview the animation. Since the animation runs until 2 seconds, let's crop the layers. Select both layers, press Alt and right square bracket to trim them. Next, press Ctrl D to duplicate both layers again. Offset these duplicated layers to the point where the first fill and stroke animation ends. Now change the text on the stroke layer to your second word. I'll use designs. Do the same with the fill layer. Finally, preview the full animation to see the result. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip for you. If you want to trim the timeline to a specific point, simply move the playhead to that point. In my case, it's at the 4 second mark, then press N on your keyboard. This will automatically trim the timeline to that point. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.